Good afternoon and welcome to my channel. Now in today's video we have got some unboxings of the Elgato Wave 3 mic and the pop filter to go with it. So I think first things first, we'll get the mic out and have a look at it. Once again with Elgato we've got some really nice packaging, really secure. There's just a little instruction bit, little box here, not sure what's in it, let's have a look. Okay, so here we have obviously the detachable wire and something rolled up in here, see what it is. Okay, so a little adapter, see if we can get it to focus. A little Elgato manual thing, you get one of these in most Elgato products. Now we're getting to the mic itself, really nicely packaged in here. Okay, so let's take a look at what we've got. Obviously at the minute I use my HyperX Quadcast mics, which have been really good, but I've seen loads about these mics, and with this mic you get like a customizable panel, a digital panel that I'm going to be trying out, whereas with the HyperX Quadcast I have to just make do with what's on OBS. But no, it's really nice looking. I'll have to get an arm for it, and then you can attach this onto there, and then you can attach that onto an arm. That's perfect. But yeah, so overall, really nice looking product. I've got this for Christmas. It's going to be a nice little grade, because obviously even though the HyperX Quadcasts are really decent mics, is what I'm recording this on at the moment, I've got a feeling this is going to be just a little bit higher quality. Going to be more customization on it. Next we have got the pop filter, obviously to go on the mic. Not expecting anything amazing in here except for a pop filter. Okay, so we've got just like a manual thing for it. Not sure why you'd need one. It's just a basic diagram on how to attach it to your mic. Again, quite nicely packaged for such a just a small item. So we've got, this is the item itself. So that's how the mic looks with the pop filter added on. Pretty nice. Yeah, so that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe if you've enjoyed.